Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, as you can see by the title above, this is some outgoing boo mail. And I've already told you guys in a previous video that I only did one swap for Halloween, and that is my Spookiversary with TONI Craft Purge. And this is what I prepared for her. I don't have the box, so I can't kind of like package it up with you guys, but I'm pretty sure you guys will see an unboxing video from her, so definitely stay tuned for that. By the time this video goes up, she's already received her box, so definitely go check that out. I'll try to have a link, add a link to this video of that. And yeah, so we did like a spooky swap, and I showed you guys what she sent me, so I want to show you guys what I'm sending her way. So I did package up a bunch of goodies for her. I have this little treat bag here with some goodies inside. I gave her a bunch of like handmade embellishments. Let me see, I don't have anything shut so I can show you guys what I'm sending her way. As you guys know, I've been making a bunch of embellishments, so I'm definitely sharing. I'm giving her some of these cute little pumpkin rosettes, some of the cute little mini memory decks cards, the little fence embellishments, and of course these super cute little rosettes with the little flower die that I had from AliExpress. So I packaged all of those in here for her, and then I clipped them down with these cute little clips from Michael's last year. It says "Boo to you," and then there's this one. I'm not gonna open this one. I think there's like some stickers in here. And I just did this cute little spider web, a cute little, like a little cutter part that says "A Witch and Her Little Monsters." Another one of those clips, oop, it's backwards, that says "Happy Halloween." And then I just have this cute little sticker here that says "Chilling," and then I sewed it all the way around, but I didn't sew the back, so she can still use it for some other Happy Meal or whatever she wants to do with that. And then here's another one that I created with some cardstock paper, just like a 12 by 12, and it's folded right here where she can use it as well. This cute little cutter part that says "Trick or Treat" with another one of those little clips that says "So Witchin'." And here I used one of those little vellum pumpkins from Target last year, and I added some cute little spiders, like if they were coming out of the little jack-o'-lantern's mouth. I love this spider web paper, it's so cute. And there's some goodies in there. I don't remember what I put in there, but that's just some more goodies for her. And then here's another one that I sewed shut. It's sewn on both sides, and then it just has like this cute little cutout with this little pumpkin rosette in the middle that she can also pull out and use on another project if she wants. And if you can see right here, it's sewn. The paper in this collection that I'm using and a lot of the stuff that I made for her is the bed and breakfast from Michael's last year. So that is that one. And then there's this little one right here, which is kind of like a policy envelope, and it has some goodies in there. I just put this cute little rosette and this cute little kitty cat right here that has some goodies for her. And then you guys know I made these embellishments, so I'm sending her over this tag, these little rosettes and circle embellishments, and another little mini memory decks. And then she's got some goodies in here. I'm not sure, I think it's ribbon and washi in here, in this cute little canvas jack-o'-lantern bag from Dollar Tree last year, I think. Don't quote me, you guys, but I had a whole pack of these and I thought it was so cute. So I'm giving her one of those. I'm giving her one of these cute little pens that I found at my local dollar store. So cute. Of course, I'm giving her one of my little confetti shakers, little pop-ups. And then I'm giving her a few straws. She can, I'm sure she has a bunch, but I thought it was just cute just to throw in the little Happy Meal. And then there's this little goodie bag that says "Good to the Last Bite," and there's some goodies in there. I'm trying to see what's in there, but I can't see what I put in there. Probably some stickers. I just stapled it down. And then This is her little card. I wrote her little note in there. And then in this little box from Dollar Tree last year, I just put a bunch of little knickknacks and goodies that she can use on her Halloween projects. Pom-poms, spiders, just little cute stuff. This little rosette that I had made with a little pumpkin face. Isn't that cute? Not pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern. So I just put that in there. And then, you guys, I made her two little projects. I made her this one, which is a recreation of a project that Bona made. You know, you guys already know that I'm obsessed with Bona, so I definitely had to recreate one of these. And it's a little embellishment box. And I used, I think it's the, I can't remember the collection. I'll have it down below. I think I've shown you guys before. I made some projects with it. But I just decorated the lid like this, with some cute little Martha Stewart chipboard pieces. I put her name on with these little chipboards, not chipboards, alpha stickers from American Crafts. The little flowers from Michaels. And then look, you guys, it's like this cute little, like a little filey thingy. Isn't that cute? And then in here, I put some cute little broomstick embellishments that I made. And then in here, she's got some cute little flares, some little Halloween flares. In here, she's got some more rosettes. In here, she's got some cute little jack-o'-lantern stickers. And then in here, she's got some cute little sewn circle embellishment shakers. And it's all in this cute little box, which I'm sure she's going to enjoy. So that's one of the projects that I made her. And then this is the flip book that I made her. And this is the cover. It has her name. It's cute little spiders. I put some pom-pom trim on it. Cute little witch embellishment from a Peachy Cheap, I think it's October Afternoon kit, Halloween kit. I think it was the Witch Hazel kit from October Afternoon. I put some spiders just to give it that little spooky effect. When you open it up, that's what it looks like right here. It's like a trifold. You guys, I'm obsessed with the way it turned out. And when I created this, I had like a lost my mojo moment, but then it just all came to me as I was creating, which I love when that happens. But this is what the first one looks like, and it's just like doily little layers, some little foam spiders, a rosette that I created using the same collection, the October Afternoon Witch Hazel, some enamel dots, this cute little spooky sticker from a Michaels ephemera pack from last year, some big googly eyes to cover the little O's in spooky. I love doing that. I think it looks so cute. Some more little foam bats and little spider sticker, a little crow sticker on top of the spooky. And then in here, you guys, I have some goodies for her and another memory decks card that I created. And then the middle page looks like this, which is one of my favorites. I found this cute little bat in my stash, so I decided to put him down right here. I added a little bow. I added these little white dots to make it look like if he had a suit on. I also added the white dots with my Jelly Roll pen. I added the googly eyes to the word boo here as well. This cute little pumpkin face girl is like a sticker from Jolie's from Michaels. And we have this Halloween. Cute little ghosts. The paper is from the Bed and Breakfast collection as well. This is one of my favorite pages. I posted this page on Instagram. It's just this cute little card that says like a little Halloween phrase. Just a little description of Halloween. And this is from the Magical and Mischievous collection from the Fairy Tale Club. So there's like a bits from everywhere in this book. I didn't use a specific collection. I kind of went through my whole stash. We have a cute little foam bat that I added googly eyes to. This cute little ghosty with a little spider web in the back. I added gems to the eyes, some leaves, the Michaels flowers, the little Target chipboards. I have this small, like a smaller version of the fence die. I use that to put back there. Some little tombstones from last year from Michael's. The October 31st is a little ephemera piece from the October afternoon collection. This cute little googly eye. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. And then we have this page right here, which is super fun. Some little layering. This cute little skeleton. I'm not sure, this is just some like a loose ephemera that I had in my stash. You guys know I have a bunch. Some little bats that I added some little white like stitching to it with my Jelly Roll pen. Googly eyes over here too. Cute little bow. This little card is from the October afternoon ephemera pack, which I think it's so cute. It says Whirl O Halloween Fortune and Stunt Game, and it just has like a bunch of things like take a string where you stand, tie a knot with just one hand. Super cute. I love this card. Some little tickets right here from the Witches Inn from Tanya Lay Designs. This is a little crow, not a crow. Is it a, what is it, like a bird? From, maybe it is a crow. From the Martha Stewart's chipboard from last year. And yeah, and I put this cute little ribbon piece around the skeleton. Some little enamel dots. And then we have the back, which looks like this. I had these stickers in my collection, so I added it right here with a big googly eye. It says Bubble, Toil and Trouble, a little witch broom, and then these cute little spiders that were from that same sticker pack. And then I just added like one googly eye to each, and I like the way that turned out. But yeah, you guys, that is the flip book that I created for her, and I hope she loves it. In here I added the little banner that I had made. It says Happy Fall, so I hope she likes that. But yeah, you guys, that is the happy mail that I created for Toni. Stay tuned for her video. I'm sure she's gonna do an unboxing. But that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.